Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to restore Google Messages on new phone. So if you have switched to a new Android phone and want to bring your old Google Messages conversations with you, the good news is that SMS and MMS messages can be included in your Android backup, and Google also states that RCS messages are backed up when you use Google Messages. So you can restore them either from your Google backup or transfer them directly from your old Android phone during the new phone setup. So the most reliable method is to restore your messages during the initial setup of the new phone. So here is the easiest method, which is to restore Google Messages from a Google backup. If you still have your old phone, you can start there. How do you do? Just open settings, open your phone settings, and once you open your phone settings, head over to Google, and once you click on Google, go ahead and tap on all services and scroll the way up until you find backup. Now select backup. Now, on some Android devices, the menu may simply just appear as Google in backup. So check the backup information to make sure that your phone's data is being backed up to the correct Google account. All right. So if you want to make sure that your latest conversations are included, just go ahead and tap backup now, which you hear that green button, and wait for the backup to finish before moving on. Now, Google notes that a Google One backup can take time to complete, and the backup status will indicate when your data has been saved. All right, this is an important step because you don't want to set up the new phone using an older backup and then wonder where your most recent messages went. So once you're done, now turn on your new phone and begin the setup process. Now, in your new phone, you're going to have to follow the initial step instructions until the phone asks whether you want to copy apps and data from another device or restore a previous backup. Google recommends having both phones charged and connected to Wi-Fi during the transfer process. When prompted in your new phone, sign into the same Google account that was used to back up your old phone. This is important because your backup is associated with that Google account. So if you use a different account, the backup containing your old messages may not appear. So when Google shows the available backups in your new phone, select the backup belonging to your old Android phone. If you have backups from more than one device, check the device information carefully and choose the appropriate backup. Google may ask you to enter the PIN, pattern, or password from your old phone before the backup can be restored. Just follow the on-screen instructions to select the data you want to restore from the backup. Your backup can include your SMS and MMS messages along with the apps, contacts, call history, and device settings. Depending on your device and Android version, the exact screens and options can look different. So continue through the remaining setup screens, and your new Android phone will begin restoring the selected information. Now, the restoration may continue for some time depending on how much data is being transferred. Google says the process can take up to 24 hours in some cases. But once the restoration has progressed, open Google Messages on your new phone, and your restored conversation should appear in the app once the message data has been restored. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.